Signing into YouTube TV is easier than you might think, and you don't have to struggle with your TV remote. Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or any compatible device. Choose the option that says Sign In. You'll now see a screen with a one-time activation code. Grab your phone, tablet, or computer and head to this site, tv.youtube.com/start. Once there, enter the code from your TV and sign in using your Google account credentials. It's important to use the same Google account tied to your YouTube TV subscription. As soon as you finish, your TV screen will automatically refresh, and just like that, you're signed in and ready to stream. You'll get full access to your live channels, saved library, and personalized recommendations. This is the fastest, easiest way to log in. No need to type long passwords with the remote. Just code, click, and you're in.